You have 3 minutes to go now. 3 minutes to go.
Ndamanda wayana tupari yonu. Oyedi maina buwa.
Ayebu bele maki ndama nagu. Iye papo.
Awuridi wada sebo.
Ayebu bele maki. Iye papo.
Aina no yi 5.
Ino tuzie ndama nagu.
Obi Kita, very beautiful village. Very beautiful day. What is that? Ruaka wayonu. Aka kono maru. And that is why we are here today. Ndewonu ndo Obi Kita. Idi wota. No, the 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah, for right. Amangu, get ready. Where we go? Can do Obi Kita? Amana. Obi Kita na hapo. Amangu. Hii ndio tunapata. You have less than 2 minutes to go. Ndio biki ta minute for a minute abo.